of fun only. So now we are going to do fun only by using math. Okay, in previous math class, what we have learned? What is the name of that? That's the number 2. Very good. Addition. Isn't it? Addition. Yes. In addition, what are the topics that we covered there? What are the topics that we learned there? Property, good. Then properties. Then new terms. Isn't it? What are the new terms we learned in that? What are the new terms? What are the new terms, ma? New terms. There are 2 terms, isn't it? Very good, Baba Dharani. Addend as well as sum. So do you remember that? What does it mean that addend? Addend means what? The numbers we add are called addends. Isn't it? The numbers.
Ma'am, today ma'am.
Called yes, ma. Called addends. Okay. What does it mean sum? Sum, children? Sum of that? What does it mean sum? The total. Very good. Yes, the total. Am I clear now, children? Am I audible for you? Please, I need your answers in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the total we get after adding the numbers is called sum. Isn't it? The total we get after adding the addends. Isn't it? The numbers is called sum. Okay, what are the properties we learned in that? What are the properties? Please, children, what are the properties we learned in that? Please, Sanjana, please mute yourself. Zero property, very good. Zero property. Then order property. So zero property also called identity property. Okay, children, zero property also called identity property. Okay, zero property. So what is the concept in that one? What is the rule that we have to follow in that? So properties used to call rules only, isn't it? So when zero is added, what is the property of zero property? What is that order? When zero is added to any number, very good. Zero is added to any number. What is that? Answer of that. Total of that. The sum is number itself. Very good. The same number only. So that shows order property. Okay, I'll give you that. 0 plus. Even now you have to.
No.
Sabarish Krishna. Okay, if I ask you to add 0 plus 9,988. What is the answer of that? 9,988. 0 plus 9,988. As a mental math, immediately you can give that one. There is no any need of calculation in your notebook. Immediately you can give. Very good, Netra. So the same number only, isn't it? When 0 is added to any number, so definitely the answer is the same number only, 9,988. Exactly. Very good, children. The next one, order property. So order property also called commutative property. What does it mean? Commutative means here exchange. What we are going to exchange there? What we used to exchange in order property? What we used to exchange, Mother? Children, tell me. What we used to exchange? Name of that? Numbers. That means addends, isn't it? So change in the order of the addends. Change in the order of the addends. It does not change the sum. The total remains same only. Very good. So if you change the order of addends, addends 1 become as addends 2, addends 2 become as in the position of addends 1. The answer, the total will remain same, isn't it? So that shows order property. So here order property also called commutative property. Okay, children, what does it mean commutative in the sense? Exchange. Now we are going to exchange from addends 1 to addends 2 as well as addends 2 to addends 1. Yes, I didn't even start my video here. Okay, children, now let's see. One more also we learned in that. Without regrouping. So we'll do without regrouping. Then we'll go to our new topic with regrouping. Excellent. Okay, I would like to know that one. What is the meaning of regrouping? Okay, now I start my video. Okay. Is it visible for you, everyone? My board is clear for everyone. Silva ma'am. Silva ma'am. Can you tell me now? Children, please.
Your screen is visible.
Thank you, dear. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, now, if you see here, so last class that we learned without regrouping, isn't it? What does that mean? Regrouping. Regrouping. What does it mean, children? Regrouping? Regrouping means now we are going to rearrange the group. So that it represents regrouping. Here, without. So without means there is no any regroup. That's what it means, isn't it? Okay. Now we'll start with the sum 4,645. For example, we are going to do this one. Plus 1,324. So there are two add-ins. Now we are going to do, let's do our addition now. For your exam, they will give you by like this only. In the horizontal manner, they will give you. So how that we have to begin that one?
This is not clear.
How that we have to start, children?
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Isn't it? Okay, children, I will cancel that. Wait, children.
Now, am I clear now, children? My voice is clear for you now?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Yes. Okay, children, listen here. So now we have to what? Numbers. So how to begin that one? Please, children, take your notebook. So you have to start. Remember that one. The first thing we have to draw a grid. Okay, children? How to draw the grid? Start with. Take your notebook. For your exam, they will give you by like this only. The first step you have to start with grid only. So in this grid, how many columns? 4 columns. The vertical one used to call as a column, isn't it? 4 columns. Please try to draw in a notebook 4 columns. Then how many rows? Horizontal line refers rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? So there are 4 rows. Please try to note on your notebook. Okay, now we are going to do addition. Yes. First line we have to leave for the first row. That is the place for the place value. So always starts from unit place. That means ones place. From right to left. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Okay, children? How many groups are there? How many groups are there? Please check in the chat box. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. How many groups are there? How many groups are there, children? 4. Isn't it? 1, tens, 100 as well as 1,000. There are 4 groups. The next row we have to leave. Don't write anything. When we have to use, I'll say that one. So this number, that addend one, have to fall in the 3rd row only. Okay, children? So this first number have to fall in the, you have to write in the 3rd row only. 4,645. Then I'll come to the 4th row. What we have to write? The second addend. 1,324. Now we have to begin. Why I am doing by like this, children? What is the purpose of drawing this? Great. Because so that the place value fall in the same column. If you change the place value of given number, the total sum of that two numbers will be differ only, isn't it? So that's the reason we have to follow this. This is the rule we have to follow while doing addition, even subtraction, multiplication, everything you have to do. This is the way you have to follow that. Okay, children. Now let's start. 5 plus 4. 5 in your mind, 4 in your finger. Please try to give that your answers. So if you take the ones digit, because you have to remember always starts from your rightmost column. The ones digit, isn't it? From right to left. So what are the digits fall in the ones place? 5, 4. 5 plus 4, 5 in your mind, 4 in your finger after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So I'll come to the tens place. So what are the digits in the tens place? 4 plus 2. 4 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 4, 5, 6. Exactly. Very good, children. You are going to answer it. Okay, now come to the hundreds place. So if you take here, what are the two digits in the hundred place? 6 plus 3. 6 in your mind, 3 in your finger after 6. 7, 8, 9. Exactly. Very good, children. Now come to the thousands place. 4 in your mind. What are the digits in the thousands place? 4 plus 1. 4 in your mind. 1 in your finger after 4. Very good. Very good. So what is the answer? 5,969. Okay, why I have given this? Because if you see here, the sum of, so which is the sum of these two? Which is the sum of these two digits in the ones place? 9, isn't it? Well, come to the tens place. What is the sum of these two digits in the tens place? 6. 100 place. What is the sum or total of the given digits which one is fall in the hundreds place? 9. Similarly, thousands place, the sum which one is fall in the thousands place is 5, isn't it? So what do you observe there? What do you observe there? Because the sum or total which fall in the same place value column is not greater than 9. Isn't it? It is equals to 9, but not a greater than 9. So if the sum which one is fall in the place value column, if it is not greater than 9, so it shows that is the without regrouping. There is no any exchange in that, isn't it? As it is, we have to give the answers there. That is a simple addition. So it refers without regrouping. There is no any rearrange there. As it is, what are the digits that fall in the same column? We got the answers in the same column only. Underneath that same column. Is there any changes? No. So it shows that is without regrouping. Are you clear? What does it mean without regrouping? Yes? Children, is there any doubt in that? I need your answers in the chat box. Is there any? Please, ma. Are you clear about the without regrouping? Are you clear about the without regrouping? Is there any doubt? No. Very good. Very good. Now I'm going to move to the with regrouping. So today's topic is with regrouping. Now we are going to find what is difference between with regrouping as well as without regrouping. So now with regrouping, this is today's topic, with regrouping. So what does it mean? Children, please note it down in your notebook. This is the mandatory, you have to follow that. Okay, children? Please try to note down in your notebook. Then only we have to move into this with regrouping. Now tell me, because we know well, multiplication. Class 2 we learned, isn't it? Simple multiplication. Now I'm going to give 10 multiplied by 1. What is the answer? 10 multiplied by 1. What is the answer? 10 ones are. Very good. 10. Okay. Okay, tell me children. Here, how many? Suppose 10 ones are 10, I say. Now I'm going to divide 10 ones. So 10 ones equals to 110. 10 ones equals to 110. So how many tens are there? In 10 ones, only 110. Very good. Only 110. So how many tens are there in 10 ones? 110. Are you clear? Please try to note down in your notebook. Okay. The second one, 10 multiplied by 10. 10 multiplied by 10. What is the answer? 10 tens are 100. Exactly, 100. Okay. Here, 10 hundreds are. Suppose 10 tens are. 10 tens are. Here, how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? Children, how many hundreds are there here? 100.
Ma'am.
100. Okay, now the third one, 10 multiplied by 100. 10 multiplied by 100. What is the answer? 10 hundreds are. Simply you have to add these two zeros along with the. Very good. 1000. So we have to add zeros to that given number. Yes, 1000. Now tell me how many 10 hundreds equals to. How many thousands are there? How many thousands are there? 1000. Very good. 1000. Okay, children, remember 10 ones equals to 110. Please remember 10 ones equals to 110. 10 tens equals to 100. 10 hundreds equals to 1000. Please, if I ask you, you have to give your answers in the chat box. 10 ones equals to 10 ones equals to. Very good. 110. Very good. 10 tens equals to 10 tens equals to 10 tens. Very good. 100. 10 hundreds equals to 10 hundreds equals to 1000. Okay, remember, if you notice this one, easy for you to do this with regrouping. Okay, children, I'll keep this by side only. Okay, now we are going to take one example. Example 1248 less 2805. Okay, children. So this is your addition sum now. Now you have to start. Yes, children. Now start doing how. What is the first step you have to follow? Draw the grid. So that grid contains how many rows and columns? How many rows and columns? Sana, how many columns first? 4 columns. That 4 column for 4 groups. That 4 place value. Isn't it? Then here 5 rows. Give the addition side by side. Okay, children. The first row carries the place value ones, tens, 100, 1000. Because the previous one without regrouping, what I said, you just leave this place, isn't it? Now we are going to use this place. When? I'll show that. So here also you have to leave the second row. Okay, children? Take this third row. Third row added when the first number have to fall in there. Third row, isn't it? 1248. Fourth row adds to them. 2305. Okay. Let's start. Shall we do now? Very good. Please note it down. I have to check at last. Everyone have to try to do in your rough note. Okay. The first I'm going to take ones place. Always you have to start from your right to left. That means start from your unit place. That means ones place. So what are the digits fall in the unit place there? What are the digits there? 8 as well as 5, isn't it? 8 plus 5. So what is the 8 plus 5? If you add 8 plus 5, 8 in your mind, 5 in your finger after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Because you come to know that one, without regrouping, I said that some which one used to fall in the place value column should not, that means not greater than 9. If you see here, we got the sum of this ones digit, 13, greater than 9. 13 is greater than 9. So that shows that is the with regrouping. Now we are going to rearrange that. We can't write as it is 13 day. Only single digit has to come underneath this ones place. So what should we do? How should we rearrange? How should we carry them? So this method already we learned now. Use for you to do this one. Okay. Here, how many ones are there? 13 ones. Isn't it? How many ones are there? 13 ones. Okay. Now I'm going to divide this 13 ones into 2 parts. Please. So what is the 13 into 2 parts? 10 ones plus 3 ones. Isn't it? 10 ones plus 3 ones equals to 13 ones. Okay. Here 10 ones. What we will learn there? 10 ones equals to how many 10? 10 ones equals to how many 10? Children, I need it. Yes, 110. Please note it down. 110. Well, your answer should be not only 1, 110. Yes, 110. Yes. The remaining 3 as it is 3 ones. Now what we have to do? So this is the ones place value. That means this column is for only ones place only. If you see here, how many ones are there? 3 ones. Isn't it? So that digit, which one is used to fall in the ones place, that has to move where? That has to move where? Here, 13 ones. This 3 ones comes here underneath this ones place. Isn't it? 3. So the remaining 1, because this 1 refers 110. So where has to move this 110? This 110, where is the tens place? Where is the tens place? Here one, isn't it? That next to the ones place. So where has to move? The 110 from ones column to the tens column. Are you clear? This is the carry over. Now we all carry this number. So carry over 110 from ones column to the tens column. So we have to circle it by round. Why? That indicate that is the carry over. So that indicates that is the carry over. Very good. Now we'll come to the tens place. So what are the digits fall in the tens place? 1, 4 as well as 0. There are 3 digits, isn't it? 1, 4 as well as 0. So first you have to start from 1 plus 4. You have to add all these digits. 1 plus 4, 5. Very good. So 5, there is no any double digit, only single digit. That means less than 9 only. That sum has to fall underneath this tens place value column only. So what is the answer? 5. No need to any carry over. We'll come to the next place value, hundreds place value. 2 plus 3. Very good. 5. So in your mind, in your finger, after 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll come to this one, thousands digit. There are 2 numbers, 1 plus 2, 3. So what is the answer? Answer equals to 3,503. By this way, you have to give your answers. Is the way you have to do this one. So what you have
Excuse me,
observed
ma'am. Stella, ma'am. 15 minutes more, ma'am.
Okay, children, carry over. So when we used to rearrange the groups in the place value called with regrouping, as well as you have to note down that sum of that way, the place value greater than 9. Okay, children? So that shows that is the with regrouping. Are you clear about the with regrouping? Okay, children? Shall we do one more sum? Please try to do that a little bit fast. 3,804 less 1,463. 1,463. So what is the way we have to do? First, try to draw the grid. Grid carries 4 columns. Then how many rows? 5 rows. Plus sign. Then start with the place value. 1, 10, 100, 1,000. So should not write in this second row. Always start from the third row. What is the first added? 3,804. Second added 1,463. 1,463. Now find out. Start from the ones digit. What is the answer in that one? 4 plus 3? 7. That is less than 9. So you have the answer. The sum of these 2 digits fall in the same column only. 7. Yes. Come to the next tens place. 0 plus 6. 0 property. If any number add to 0, the answer should be same number. 6. Wait. We'll come to the 100 place. Now here only we are going to rearrange the group. Okay. 8 plus 4. What is that answer of the 8 plus 4? Sum of that one, 8 plus 4, 12. Isn't it? We got the 12 day, 12 hundreds. How many hundreds are there in this one? What is the sum of this? 8 plus 4, 12 hundreds. Now we are going to split into 2. 10 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. 10 hundreds. We already learned it. 10 hundreds equals to 1,000. 10 hundreds equals to 1,000. This 200 remains same. So this digit which one is fall in the 100 place. Here 2 is there, isn't it? So that 2 goes in this 100's place. This one, that means 1000. That means 1,000. Move to their place. What is their place? Thousands place. as a carry over. Okay, now please add now. What are the numbers called in that? 1 plus 3 plus 1. Very good. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the answer now we got? Yes, children? So answer is 5,267. Are you clear? Yes, children? Very good. Very good, children. So with regrouping, the sum of that column, which one is the column under that means underneath that same column. So what is that value of that one? It is greater than 9 or less than 9? Children? The sum of, that means digits in the ones place or tens place, hundred, whatever in the sense. So what is the sum of that? Same column. What is that one? It is greater than 9 or less than 9? Is it greater than 9 or less than 9, children? If it is with regrouping. So with regrouping, definitely that is greater than 9 only. If you see here, 12 is greater than 9 or less than 9? Greater than 9. So if it is greater than 9, it shows that is the with regrouping. Without regrouping, definitely we know that that is less than 9. Are you clear? Okay, children. Now I would like to check your homework. Okay, children, shall we do now? Your homework now. Please, everyone, unmute your video. Get ready with your homework note, as well as I would like to see your what class for which one you did now. Okay, please unmute yourself. Get ready.
I cannot open my video, ma'am. Ma'am, Vishwant, ma'am.
Yes, Vicky. Children, we are seeing. I asked you to show your what?
Bye, ma'am.
Mute your video. Children, mute your video. You have to unmute your mute your audio, Kana. Mute your audio. Everyone mute your audio. Very good. Sri, come closer. Rishwant. Very good. Sahitya. Very good, children. Sahitya. Very good. So by this way only you have to draw the grid. Very good. Sahitya. Listen, children. Make your side good. Hasini, really good. Hasini, I do this one. While draw the grid, you have to do the same.
Vidyut, very good, Kanna. Janani. Ashwant, very good, Kanna. Keertiyalini.
Come closer, Udisha.
Come closer, Keertiyalini.
Very good. Yeah, Abhinesh.